One is maximum of age of 65. Now, I've heard from through the grapevines, or maybe I misunderstood, that some people are able to purchase DI past the age of 65. And physicians typically don't want to retire at age 65, either because they want to continue working, they enjoy their work, or because they want to be away from their spouses. That's typically the answer I get. If I stay home, I drive my spouse crazy, so I go to work and past the age of 65. So, is there any opportunity to get DI past 65? But the more important question is it even necessary to get it past the age of 65 if I decide to work past 65?
Yeah, I mean, our oldest client, she's 74, still practicing, still putting in 30, 40 hours a week, just because I think like three out of the four reasons apply to her, from what you said. So yeah, so it's definitely possible. She still has disability. They'll just have to underwrite it again at the age of 65 to make sure, everything is fine. But yeah, that's definitely not a problem. If you're still going to be practicing after the age of 65, you'll still be covered. I think that's okay. And in terms of the coverage, do you even need the coverage past 65? I think so. And mainly because if you're going to be working and you're expecting to, earn that much money because you're probably thinking, okay, well, I'm probably going to work till at least 70. And if that happens, not having that financial stress when something does happen to you at that late age, and knowing that whenever you're ready to go back to work, you'll be fine, and you don't actually have to try to get back to work because maybe you designed your life in a way where I'm gonna do A, B, and C, and for that I'll just work part-time or something. Regardless of whatever it is, I think you want to keep the coverage till you fully retire because you never know what's actually going to happen. And if something does happen, you'll still get that benefit on a month-to-month basis. So 65 to 265 is, I think, a no-brainer. After 65, it's probably debatable, but I'll still fall in the line that if you're still going to be working till 70, 75, you definitely probably want to keep that coverage, which is what many of our clients actually have done. So,
If you found this clip valuable and you'd like to listen to the whole episode, then please go to Spotify or Apple or Google or wherever you like to listen to your podcasts and search for Your Rich Fulfilling Life Show for the whole episode.